Am I the only one that didn't know putting reshade files in the wrong spot breaks everything? You're not alone. Let's get you back to those sweet graphics in no time. Step 1. Make sure you've got the right reshade version. Recent ones usually get blocked by FiveM, so grab version 5.8.0 or check the forums for a recommended one. Install it to your FiveM.x and pick DirectX 10, 11, 12. Skip effect packages for now. Next, open your FiveM application data folder and find or create a folder called Plugins. Move all those new reshade files, like dxgidl and reshade.ini, plus your preset.ini straight into that Plugins folder. Still not working? Launch FiveM, press F8, and copy any error from add-ins. Paste it into your Citizens FX.ini under add-ins. Don't forget in-game, turn off Fix UI lag at high GPU usage. Restart FiveM, hit the home key, select your preset, and watch the magic happen. If stuff's still weird, try renaming dxgi.el to deth11.el or check your keybinds in reshade.ini. You've got this. Enjoy those upgraded visuals.